Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add card details to your account on Expedia. This is incredibly useful because it saves time during checkout and makes booking your next trip much faster and smoother. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to expedia.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After logging in, look towards the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Account. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage various aspects of your Expedia profile. Once you're in the account section, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here you'll find several options for managing your account. Click on Payment Methods. This is where Expedia stores all your saved payment information, making it easy to book without entering card details every single time. Now click on Payment Methods again to view your saved cards. If you haven't saved any payment methods yet, you'll see an empty section. Look for the option that says Add Payment Method or simply a plus icon. Click on it to begin adding your card information. A menu will appear asking you to select the type of payment you want to add. Choose credit/debit card from the available options. This opens up a form where you'll need to enter your card details. Start by typing in your card number in the field labeled Card Number. Make sure you enter it carefully to avoid any errors. Next, move to the expiration date field and enter the month and year your card expires. Right after that, you'll see a field for CVV, which is the 3 or 4-digit security code usually found on the back of your card. Enter that carefully as well. Now type in the name on card exactly as it appears on your physical card. This ensures that the information matches and prevents any issues during payment processing. After that, you'll need to fill in your billing address fields. This typically includes your street address, city, state, or province, and zip code. Make sure all the information is accurate and matches what your card issuer has on file. There's also another convenient way to add your payment method. You can do this directly when you're checking out for a hotel, flight, or car rental. When you reach the checkout page, navigate to the Payment Methods section. Here you can type in the name on card, your debit or credit card number, the expiration month and year, the security code, and your billing zip code. This method is great if you prefer to add your card on the go while booking. And that's it. Your card details are now securely saved to your Expedia account, making future bookings quicker and more convenient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.